Hi guys, I am Mohsen Iqbal and today I am going to tell you how to create Taguchi orthogonal arrays or Taguchi fractional factorial designs using Minitab 19. So first of all, I clicked on the Minitab 19. The Minitab 19 session has been opened. Then I will click on the stat. DOE means design of experiment. Then I will click on Taguchi, create Taguchi designs. I will click on it. Then we will select how many factors are involved in our research study, in our project, mini project. So I will select there are 4 factors. Okay. From there you can select two factor design, 3 factor, 4, 5 or mixed level. I will explain mixed level design in any other video. So first of all I will select 4 factors and 3 level design. Okay, so there are 4 factors, 3 levels. We will check here from available designs. So these are the available designs. So what I will check, I've selected 3 levels for a factor. So for 3 level we will get L9 orthogonal array in which are used for 2 to 4 factors. So I have 3 factors that lie in this range. So I will select this L9. I will click OK. Then I will click designs. So I have two basically runs. I have L9 available and L27 also available. Basically in L27 the experiment or the experimental run that involved in L9 are repeated 3 times. So I will click on L9. I will click then OK. Factors, I will then write what are the names of different factors and what are their levels. All of the information we have to enter there. We can easily give the names of different factors there, just like I have entered current, root cap, electrode diameter, and I will write here preheat temperature. In this way we can write the names of the different factors which we have involved in our study. I have written preheat temperature. Then I will write here level values, means I will select 100 ampere, 120 ampere and 140 ampere. These are different values for the current. Same is the case for the root cap. I will select 2 mm, 3 mm and 4 mm. So same is the case, I will select the values for. After clicking on this, I will select OK and then again options, OK, store in the worksheet and then OK. So we'll check here the whole factorial design we got. Based upon this factorial design, we will have to conduct experiment. It means for experiment number 1, we will have to perform the experiment at current level 100 ampere, root cap of 2 mm, electrode dia 2.6 mm, and preheat temperature 75 mm. These are the factors which we take mostly in the optimization or in the experimentation of the welding. So further, if you want to have questions that these the experimental design which we have obtained have on actual values, so what if we want this experimental design on coded values? So it's also very easy. Go to stat, DOE, Taguchi, create Taguchi design. You have selected 3 level design using 4 factors. You will select design L9 orthogonal array. You will select factors, name as them just like current. Then you will write root cap. On the third one you will write electrode dia or electrode diameter, preheat temperature. Just click on OK. You will get a coded experimental design just like this. Check out this. Okay, in this sheet where I get again the same 4 factors, but their levels for the experimental trials. These are the levels are in coded values. So in sheet 1, you will you have checked that all of the values in worksheet 1, all of the values were not coded, whereas in worksheet 2 all of the values are coded. So in this way we can generate the Taguchi orthogonal array designs. If you like my video, please click on the like button, and also I'm on Fiverr. If you want to get if you want to require any type of help, please contact me on my Fiverr account. Please like and share my video. Thanks a lot for your time. Thanks a lot for watching.